Hello, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this super cute red car with a fluffy dog sitting inside and bin MD on top. How fun is that? Let's start by drawing the car shape. Grab your pencil and let's get started. You're doing such a great job. Now, let's add the fluffy dog sitting on top of the car, holding a flag. Don't forget the bin MD on top of the car, tied up with a blue ribbon. Just a few more lines to finish the outline. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Start with the car and color it bright red with yellow wheels. Then color the dog orange with soft pink cheeks, and the flag on his paw can be red with yellow details. Don't forget to color the bin MD yellow and white with a blue ribbon on top. Keep going! You're doing an amazing job! Look at that! Our car is all finished, and the dog with the bin MD looks adorable. You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawing adventures. Hi, little artists! Today, we're going to draw and color this adorable green car with two penguins and a little yellow chick on top. Isn't that just so cute? Let's start by drawing the car. Grab your pencil and let's begin. You're doing a fantastic job. Now, let's add the two penguins sitting inside the car and the little chick on top. Don't forget to draw the sun and some clouds in the sky. Just a few more lines, and we'll be ready to color. Now it's time to color. Let's start with the car and color it bright green with yellow wheels. Then, color the penguins blue with white bellies and pink cheeks. The little chick on top should be yellow with a cute orange beak. Color the sun yellow and the clouds white. You're doing great. Keep going. Look at that! Our cute car with the penguins and the little chick looks amazing! You did such a wonderful job today. Keep practicing, and you'll keep getting better and better. See you next time for more fun drawing.